Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a spinning part for your Roblox Obby. So in the last video, I did checkpoints. The video before that, I did kill parts. This is probably the easiest one out of all of them. It's super simple. So we're just going to go right into it, make our spinning part. So this is going to be the part that's spinning, and I'm just going to put it right there. You don't have to add anything to this other than a script, and in that script we're gonna just make a loop, and we'll do while true do script.parent.cframe, and then we'll do the star symbol and then the equal symbol, so we're multiplying it. Cframe dot from, I don't know that word, 0.100, and then we'll do wait, and that's it. What is that, Euler? I think that's Euler. I don't know how to pronounce it. But right here, if you want to change the speed, you would just change this number. So you could make it 0.2, 3, 4, 5. Once you get around to the 1 mark, that's like a lot of speed, and it just doesn't work that well. It doesn't even look like it's spinning. So it's a lot better to use 0.1 or 0.5. Yeah, but it's spinning now, and you can use this for your obby. Let me turn on shift lock. You can have obstacles that are spinning and they need to somehow get over them and jump off like that. But yep, that's it for this video. I'll have the script just in the description if you guys want to use it. It's like the easiest script you can possibly use. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.